Welcome to the Pasonics Network for the game of the week in Sydney. Here we go. Penguin bot. Off that back corner. Filament bot. Already. Oh, Bottomus Prime with the save. Wildfire scores. Oh my goodness. Brisbane strikes first in their black alternates. Sydney wearing their yellow alternates. Here we go. Penguin bot putting some pressure on. Can he put it in the net? No. Sends that over. Wildfire off the right post. Oh boy. There's been a lot of opportunities for both teams early, but the only one on the board right now. Oh no, Filament bot, what are you doing? Okay, Wildfire recovers. Almost an own goal. Or almost an own assist. Oh, Wildfire breaks away. Bottomus Prime was now ready. And just like that, Wildfire has his second goal of the game. And Sydney is down early once again. Bottomus Prime struggling under the lights for the second week in a row on the game of the week. Bottomus Prime, then Penguin bot, and now Wildfire and Filament with a pinch. Now it's retreat mode for... Oh no, Penguin goes for the aerial. They're playing aggressive. Filament bot's going to send it into the right side. Bottomus Prime with a touch. Wildfire and Filament there. Filament centering it for Wildfire. Wildfire decides not to go for it. Doesn't want to let up a goal to Bottomus Prime. 2 minutes in and no goals for Bottomus Prime, but here he goes. Filament with a save by the one and only Brisbane Dingoes. That's sitting there. Bottomus Prime is on the board. Took nearly half the game, but he has done it. And it's only a 2-1 lead now for Brisbane. Bottomus Prime has 3 shots and only 1 goal. Those faceoffs are dangerous. Wildfire taps it though. Great job, but Bottomus Prime gets it again and it's tied. Oh my goodness. Bottomus Prime is dangerous off those faceoffs. And that's why 2 goals to tie it up. DFH Stadium is loving that. Bottomus Prime, can he make something out of that? It's redirected though by his own teammate Penguin bot, and the boost gets taken. Penguin bot sets it on net, but no boost for Bottomus. Now Bottomus does have boost. It gets over his head though. He gets bumped a little bit. Wildfire. Oh, this could be a goal. It is Bottomus Prime. They come back from 2-0 to take a 3-2 lead with 2 minutes to go. No lead is safe when you're facing Bottomus Prime. Sydney has been dominating recently, controlling the match since that 2-0 lead. And oh boy, that was hit in front of the net. Oh, Wildfire, can he make something out of it? Yes, he can! And it's tied up as it slowly trickles in. Brisbane has tied it up. Another excellent match of the week. We're tied with 2 minutes to go. It's anybody's game. They meet in the middle. The ball basically goes in the middle. Oh, it's sitting there. Wildfire. Whoa, no, Bottomus Prime. Oh, and it's just to the left. He couldn't get that on net. It was. Wildfire taking it. Ooh, Bottomus barely gets a piece of that ball. Now Bottomus taking it towards the net. That's going to roll in. And oh, it's an own goal. Wildfire with an own goal, and Sydney takes the lead with 1:19 to go. Could that be the winning goal? Brisbane fans, look away. That could be the winning goal, and it's an own goal if it is. Wildfire tries to help him. Under a minute left. A 1-goal difference, but bottom is prime. Oh, and it's saved by Filament Bot. A wonderful save. Bottom is prime keeping it down, though. Filament Bot clears. He pinches that against the wall. Here you go. No, bottom is prime takes it. Filament Bot taps it. Near their net still. They need to get an offensive push. Bottom is prime, keeping it down there. Not letting them even breathe for a second on defense. Much less get an offensive push. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Filament Bot towards the net. Will this do it? No, Penguin Bot stops it. Where's Wildfire? 6 seconds left. In the air. That's game. Sydney holds on. They win by an own goal.